Let's go. This is how we're looking over here. I'm still buffering. Let me know we clear. Let me know we're loud and clear over here. I'm good. I had to check in. Thank you, Andre King. I appreciate that, brother. How's everything, everyone? I've been gone for a month. What receipts have I missed that I haven't caught on? I want to know what receipts I've been missing. The creek is dry. Yeah, Doodle, just do it on the laptop. On the laptop is better than doing it on the phone. Because, but I just take my Rocket personal and I send everybody in an Uber paid for. See, this is how crazy the weather is. Sans Memory Blog. Hi, Idol from the Philippines. My buhay. Let's go. Shout out to all my beautiful people in the Philippines. Shout out to my beautiful sister, Ava Nation. My sister, Life Reality. Let's go. I'm using a phone. My laptop charger is broken. Oh my God. Is it a C cable for the laptop? Yes. Let's go, Sans. Let's go. How is the Philippines today? I know in the Philippines, either you get hot weather or you get a rainy day. Let's go. Yeah, but the only thing about that, well, for me, if I was to do it on my phone, I have to leave the live, go to YouTube Studio and do it. That's the only downfall of doing it on the phone. But you gotta get out the live and do it. Let's go. Okay. Yep. Are those highs popping up on my live? That say hi? I find that so annoying. That say hi is so annoying. I forgot to tell Kanini that I saw her short was very funny. That one squat, what she does, she kills a mosquito and she starts dancing. I thought she was gonna drop to squats. Can you help me, sir, and support also? Thanks. Tropical, that's why it's hot, yeah. Over here it's like 66, 70 degrees right now. But the weather is not that complacent. And yes, Sans, just leave me a comment in one of my videos or shorts for like that. And I could go to your channel and I could support you, watch a couple of videos. Let me see, watch a couple of videos. If you have a playlist, I can run your playlist. You know, just leave me a message in one of my videos and I'll be glad to help you out. That's what we do. Sharing is caring.